Welcome to Sukri Learnings. In the previous video, I have explained about how to create mobile and web applications using Amazon Honeycode. In this video, I will explain about how to run an application built with Amazon Honeycode on Android mobile phone. Let's see how to install Amazon Honeycode app on your mobile phone. Go to Play Store, search by Amazon Honeycode. Click on Amazon Honeycode in the search results. Amazon Honey app details will be shown. Click on Install button. It will take you a moment. Please hold on until installation completes. Now click on the Open button to open Honeycode app. It will ask you to sign in. Post sign in, it will land to the home page. On the home page, applications and workbooks will be listed. Here it is, Simple Survey app built earlier. Click on Simple Survey. The app will greet you. Click on Begin to give feedback. Enter your feedback and click on Done. Acknowledge screen will appear by saying thanks. Thank you for watching.